Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zukropal Hakoh from TI 48 Inter. I will be presenting the solution for the design of radiation therapy problem. Case study adapted from Operation Research Lecture. This problem focus on patient Mary diagnosed with a large malignant tumor in the bladder area. Extensive radiation therapy is required. The objective is to deliver a sufficient radiation dose to eradicate the tumor cells, even the microscopic ones, while simultaneously minimizing radiation exposure to surrounding health tissue. And the data and linear programming model uh, to achieve this goal, we use a combination of two radiation beams, beam 1 and beam 2. We have collected data on the fraction of the entry dose uh, absorbed by for use area. Uh, we formula this as a linear programming model where will x1 equal the dose at the entry point for beam 1 in kilorats, and the second x2 the dose at the entry point for beam 2 in kilorats. Our objective is to uh, minimize G equal 0.4 x1 plus 0.5 x2. This G, this G value represent the average dose absorbed by the healthy anatomy. The model is subject to dose constraint that must be met by the critical tissues, tumor region, and the center of the tumor. Uh, Since or constraint include greater than or equal to inequalities, we must employ the Big M method or a similar technique. After converting the problem into the canonical form by adding slack x3 surplus minus x4 and artificial variables x5 and x6, we began the simplest process. Uh, by going through three iteration of the simpler method, we are searching for the option of optimal basic feasible solution that yields the minimum Z value. Uh, in this slide, the third iteration provides use with the optimal solution. X1 equal 12 kilorats and the second X2 equal 0 kilorats. Uh, and the conclusion equal 4.8. Okay. Uh, in conclusion, the optimal radiation therapy design is to deliver a dose of 12 kilorats via beam 1 and 0 kilorats via beam 2. Uh, at this dose configuration, the entry dose absorbed by the healthy anatomy is 4.8 kilorats, which is the absolute minimum value possible with satisfying all the necessary clinical constraints for the tumor. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.